The 2020 Rising Star Award is presented to Michelle McLeod, class of 2010. Michelle received her bachelor's degree in journalism, magna cum laude, from East Carolina University. At ECU, Michelle was the first Black editor-in-chief of the university's independent student newspaper, the East Carolinian. After graduating, Michelle worked as a residential counselor in a home for at-risk youth in Phoenix, Arizona, and worked as the playroom coordinator at the Ronald McDonald House in New York City. At Maryland Carey Law, Michelle was an Honorable John F. Fader Leadership Scholar and Writing Center Fellow. She was a teaching and research assistant for Professor Sherilyn Eiffel, who now heads the NAACP Legal Defense Fund. She was a volunteer mentor at Villa Maria Children's Home in Timonium, Maryland, and she also completed an externship and spent a semester providing direct legal services at a refugee rights clinic in Cape Town, South Africa. Upon graduating, Michelle joined the U.S. Department of Justice's Civil Rights Division through the Attorney General's Honors Program. For nearly 10 years, Michelle has litigated complex civil rights cases in the division's voting section and housing and civil enforcement section.
She has traveled throughout the country, investigating and litigating violations of the Voting Rights Act, the National Voter Registration Act, the Help America Vote Act, the Fair Housing Act, the Religious Land Use and Institutionalized Persons Act, and the Service Members Civil Relief Act.
Michelle has been awarded 2 Civil Rights Division Distinguished Service Awards for exceptional work on litigation, a Department of Justice Certificate of Commendation for outstanding performance in the Civil Rights Division, and several Department of Justice Special Achievement Awards. Michelle is also an active volunteer in her community. She is a council member of the ABA's Civil Rights and Social Justice section, a member of the ABA Commission on the 19th Amendment, and a member for the ABA Commission on Youth at Risk. In 2017, Michelle was awarded the ABA Top 40 Young Lawyers Award. She has also served as a member of the DC Citizen Review Panel for Child Abuse and Neglect, was a commissioner on the DC Commission on Human Rights, and was a youth mentor through DC's Capital Partners for Education. The University of Maryland Francis King Carey School of Law is proud to name Michelle McLeod the recipient of the 2020 Rising Star Award.